Today I'm going to show you how to part your hair for straight back hairstyle. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by parting near the ear area. So you want to just part. I like using the arch of the eyebrow to get this parting section. So you're going to create a part going all the way back on this section, and then what you're going to do is you're going to also repeat that on the other side and just part it the same way. Once you're done with that, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to divide the hair into half, going horizontally. So now you have two sections going horizontally like that. Now you're going to take the top section and split it in half using the nose as the guide. And now you have two sections, and we're going to repeat the same thing going all the way down. We're going to use the part starting from the middle and go all the way down. Now you have four sections right there, and you have one section at the ear area right there. And now let's say we're going to start braiding. You want to take one section and divide it into the number of braids, and the bottom also repeat the same thing, and then do the same thing on the other side, and that is how to do it.